This video explains a few key features offered in the application. Let's start with the rate calculator. You can access the feature under the Tools option in the menu. On clicking the Cost Estimation option, you see a page very similar in style to the Orders page. First, choose if your order is a forward or a return order. Enter the PIN codes of the pickup and delivery locations and then enter the deadweight and package dimensions of the order. Enter the value of the shipment and choose if the payment type is prepaid or cash on delivery, since it might incur surcharges for delivery partners. Once you filled all these details in, click on Calculate. A list showing all the available delivery partners for the given PIN codes is displayed for you to easily compare prices, and if you want to create a shipment after comparing, click on the Mention button. Moving to the next feature, we have Reports. Reports are customized datasets to help you understand your data in a clear way, and also to assist you in seeking a particular value and its associated information. Choose a category: orders, products, customers, billing, and cumulative. Each report has exclusive information on the particular category. Choose a category and click on the Select Dates button to specify the date range of the report to be generated. In the same pop-up, you shall also find subcategories to filter out your report better. After choosing your options, click on the Download button and you have your report ready in Excel format.